Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of RCC Lightning. Like many of you having problem dealing with the lighting problem of our realistic car controller, and today I'm gonna show you how to resolve this issue. And guys, I'm just making this video in English language because many of you having a problem with this game, with these assets like RCC lighting problem. Many of you having problem with this, so that's why I'm going to make that video in English language. And let's start it. I just opened the RCC controller demo scenes folder and just RCC city. Now you just need to run the game. When I run the game, okay, you can see the game started. Wait, I just need to turn off the direction light in order to view the car lighting. Okay, I just delete it, uncheck this direction light. Now you can see there's a night type game. Now you can see when I turn on my lights, it doesn't appear in the dark zone. Like when I turn on light, you can see when I turn on my lights, high beam, low beam, my lights is not appearing in the scene. It's just because of this. Let me show you. You just need to go to any vehicle, lights, then headlight, select all the lights or all the headlights. First of all guys, I need to exit from the game mode. Now you can see here's the lights, and when I check this all the headlights, you just need to go to this light setting, auto to important. You have to check the important, render more important, and then culling max, you need to check the everything. Now if you will play the game, I have already selected the headlights. Here you can see culling max is nothing. You have to select all the everyone and not important to important. Then you don't have to be important. I'm just disabling the AI because in order to reduce the sound. Now you can see when I will turn on the lights, you can see in the scene view there the lights are appearing. Same for the all the lights as well. You can just select all the lights from non-important to important and culling max everything. Now you will see when I will turn my right indicator, you can see there's a light on the floor as well. Okay, you can see. RCC, I think so you got my point. You just need to tick that render mode to important, and culling max needs to be everything. So that's all for the video, and I hope you will understand the concept. If you have any question, you can comment me down and I will answer. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more.